Hi, here's a little bit of detail on this grill light. Lin 6 fits great here, so will many other lights like a T3 or an M-Power or probably a Lin 8 for sure. Drill a hole in the center or wherever is appropriate for your wiring. It's hollow back there, there's nothing really in the way. Then what I did is, if you look up behind it, see right there? That's another hole. And I did it like this with a longer bit right through there. Okay, you're going to do that on each side because of these lovely active shutters in the back. So that little hole right there, after you remove this little panel here, that was the factory panel, remove that, and then under here you'll see way under there, that's where that hole is. And then over here, that's where that hole is right there. Be careful, don't mess up that wire right there. Be careful. And that's where you're going to be bringing your wires out into the engine bay, in front of the active shutters, so you got no issues with the shutters. Run the wiring all this way, run it over to here, and through that big gaping access hole in the firewall. And then we've got a bunch of power options right here for your fuse, and we've also got a nice ground stud right there for ground, and you can run your power ground wire inside to whatever switch you need to do. So we're using a waterproof fuse holder kit right here, and we'll put in the appropriate size fuse. So that covers the front end. Hope that was the detail you were looking for.